Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, so we're doing chapter 37, problem 62. So it says, for what maximum kinetic energy is a collision between an electron and a hydrogen atom in its ground state definitely elastic? Well, we know it's elastic if the kinetic energy before the collision is equal to the kinetic energy after the collision. So if the hydrogen atom is in the ground state, then the smallest amount of energy it can absorb is the difference between n equals 1 to n equals 2. So if you look back, so as long as the kinetic energy of the incoming electron is less than that difference, then the collision must be elastic because it won't absorb any of the energy. If it's greater than this, then it probably could absorb some of the energy and some left over as kinetic energy. Okay, so what is the energy difference for this? The energy difference is E2 minus E1 here, which we can write as negative 13.6 eV over 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 1 squared. And this is 10.2 electron volts. And that's our delta E. So if our kinetic energy of the incoming photon is less than 10.2 electron volts, then it will be fully elastic. So what's that saying? The maximum it can be to keep it elastic is 10.2 electron volts. Cool.